welcome my friends. Today we'll be cooking Wagyu beef burrito with green sauce. Let's have a look at our ingredients, shall we? Beer, yes, we will be using some beer. We have tomato, we have some cheeses in here, salt and pepper, eggs, some oils, Wagyu beef, star of the show of course, potatoes, and then the rest. Let's get on preparing our sauce first, shall we? Alrighty, first things first, let's get our basil, our spinach, some cilantro. Just wait on cilantro. Smashed garlic goes in. We have some walnuts. You don't have to use walnuts. I'm going to. Have some Parmesan cheese. Salt and pepper. Cilantro to top things off. A splash of IPA. Yep, we're in Colorado. Oscar Blues. Good. See what consistency is. If we need to add some more, and off we go. Oh yeah. That aroma from this whole thing. Wow, that's incredible. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Perfect splatter. Alright, our sauce is ready. I'm gonna give it a quick try. Delicious. Creamy. A little bit on the liquidy side, but that's perfect. Because it's a burrito, right? And it's a sauce. Let's get moving. California burritos, those guys use some fries. I want to use a potato, but I don't want to use it as a fry. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly grate some. Give these guys some seasoning, a bit of salt. I'm going to go ahead and crack some pepper on top. In. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix it. Give it a quick mix. Oh yeah, this is going to be juicy. Perfect. Let's go ahead and start taking care of our beef. Super excited for that. Thank you, Snake River Farms. American Wagyu beef. Here we go. Grapeseed oil goes on to our pan. Not a whole lot, very little. This meat doesn't really require a whole lot of heat treatment, so we're going to fry it quickly. We're going to season them right here on the skillet. We'll add our strips of beef. And this beef is so tender and so juicy, it literally will take like 30 seconds maybe for each of these strips to be ready. Give these guys a flip. Quick salt and pepper and some seasoning. And here's exactly what we're looking for. It's going to be super juicy, super tender, and delicious. It will definitely enhance the flavor of our burrito, and we're going to do the same thing with pretty much all of them. fried, and now we're going to go ahead and deglaze our pan. We're going to melt some butter on top. We are going to fry our potatoes next. Yeah. I'm going to splash of beer, just a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. We just want the aroma, so we're going to keep it on the burner until alcohol burns off. Yeah. Ooh. Guys, the smell is incredible. I wish the camera could transfer it and you guys can smell what I'm smelling. Maybe one day, right? To make sure it is fried very well before we add it to our burrito as a filling. Flip it a few times. You guys ready? You guys want to see this? I was gearing up for it. I think I'm ready. Don't laugh, it doesn't work, okay? Oh yeah, it did work. All right. You want to see it one more time? All right. You guys want to see it again? Here it comes. Ready? Here it goes. Perfect. I learned this one when I was working at a restaurant. Boom, just like that. You know, this looks way delicious for me not to try it. It's incredible, so tender. Simple spices, delicious. We're almost ready over here. This is a tomato basil soft cheese, but I want to shred it because I'm going to be adding it to our burrito. Guys, our ingredients are ready, and now we're going to assemble the burrito. The beef goes on. Don't be stingy, right? Not like it's a restaurant or anything. Rolling it up for itself. Perfect. I don't have a large tortilla, so I'm not going to go over the board with it. I want my tomato to be right here. I want some soft cheese on top. I am using mozzarella. Of course, we have our potatoes. Just some of that soft cheese. Remember that? Yep. That's a tomato basil cheese right here. I want to use some sriracha. I love sriracha. And kind of like, why not, right? Light drizzle. Nothing special. And of course, this delicious green sauce. Delicious. This is great. I'm going to give it a, well, make an attempt, I guess, to roll this baby in. Burrito isn't exactly my forte, but for you guys, I'm going to make an attempt. You know what? Not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and toss it on. Heat it up a little bit, get that cheese inside melted. Getting hot. Yes. Toasted. You guys ready for it? I'm ready. Let's have a look. Now that is a burrito with a green sauce. Look at the colors. Vibrant. This looks delicious. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. Let's give it a try. Amazing. It's a pop of flavor. Burritos with a green sauce. Yeah, success. One thing I would probably add, maybe a little bit of lettuce, but that's up to you. If you guys like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. subscribe. We'll be back with more videos for you.